How's it going, guys? Officially owned. So today I'm back for some new game. It's called Expansion. So let's try campaign. Going to do this. Of course, I'm going to show you first the mechanics, as always. There. So as you can see, that's your planet, and these are your neighborhood planets. Apparently, there's no enemy. So first you wanna do this, then if you wanna go faster, you press times 3, then continue. Press that. In this one, you can see when I press the planet or the circle around the planet, you can see there's the like a pyramid but no top, and the K jet. Apparently, if you press the bindle, it's for the structures. So just pause the game and try reading it. So first, I recommend to build the mine. Because mines add these things. After that, of course, you have to go to the colonies because it colonizes new weapons, I mean, new planets. It's not very good at fighting other starships, but it's good at colonizing. That's its purpose. Apparently, you can only see one, but the thing here, as you can see that I'm pressing, it's the life of the colonist. When it goes full life, the colonist ships will go 3. Now let's build some other more. So let's try. Um, Apparently you can see it's already full. So for the colonist to go here, you have to press this, and it will go that. Then press the planet, and it will colonize it. Just wait. As you can see, it's already moving there. Then you have to wait because it will like build the base. The the numbers that are rising up, it has to be 1.5 or what at 1,500 before it's completely functional. There, can build another one. But really, that's it for colonizing stuff. Now you have to uh, learn how to fight. So you can see these are enemy troops, fighters. So first, you have 1,000 of chips. So first, I would recommend in mine. Then this. Apparently, you can already unlock all of them, and they really look so cool. As in, like they are so cool. Then just wait. So there, I'm building the lab, so I can get a medics. I try to fight with other starships. You can see there's a like a mini map, the bottom left. I mean right corner. I mean like even those are two. You can just continue. Yep. then I would recommend to grade so the income will go faster. Then for next, of course, factory, but you can't because the base only has two. The base forces you to construct only two buildings, which I have to wait for the upgrade of the mine. These are enemy fighters. Are gonna be so OP in vision. Let me then medic, then medic. Yep, as you can see there. And here it's already built, so of course you have to put mine. Okay, you're just gonna wait for the base. So apparently, even though you already have the lab building, you still can't buy, or maybe. So I need more resources. Just gonna wait for that. So apparently this already okay, but I think I'm still going to lose even though. Yep. So I'm not gonna make it there. I'm just gonna make it here. Apparently it's too long. I'm just gonna do it like right there. It's gonna make another one. Then let's just wait. I don't know why it doesn't have any sounds, but apparently you can like mix them up, like they have the same. Apparently that wouldn't mind, but like look at that. And they're going to fight. It will not colonize, but it will kill incoming defenders. Barely, even though if I just put it like right here, there, they just go separate ways. Hey, hey, they going back. Apparently, they will die. Huh. Yay. So that's it. That's how you attack. Now let me send back. Apparently, if you put them back, like right there, they regenerate and the destroyed ships is gonna like come back. Like as you can see coming out from the base. So that's it. That's called expansion. Because apparently you expand, you try to expand your colony So that's it for today. Why don't you leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome vids? Well, apparently, if you like some more of this, you can comment from the comment section below. Just remember you heard it for officially owned.